For number 14, I already labeled the picture. They gave us the measure of angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. And I also labeled the color scheme if it helps. Remember, if they are the same color, they're equal to each other. If they land on opposite colors, red and yellow, then they sum to 180. So the first thing I would do is create as many equations as you can from this picture. And the first equation I would create, looking at angles 1 and 2, they are vertical to each other, so they are congruent or equal to each other. So I'm going to set 2x equal to 7y plus 16. That's one equation. I can't solve this equation yet because it has two variables, but I might use it later. The second equation I can look at is relating angle 2 and angle 3. Angle 2 and angle 3, they both land on yellow, or you could say these are both corresponding angles. They're in the lower left-hand corner of each line, and they are equal to each other, corresponding. So 2x is equal to 4x minus 30, and I can solve equation 2 because it has only one variable. The last equation that I can make is relating 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are alternate exterior angles. Those are equal to each other. They both land on yellows, so I could set 4x minus 30 equal to 7y plus 16. So between these three, I can only solve the second one because it only has one variable. So let's solve that since we have to find x and y. So 2x is equal to 4x minus 30. So to solve this, collect the variables on one side. So I'm going to subtract 4x from both sides to collect them on the left. So 2x minus 4x is negative 2x, and that's equal to negative 30. One more step to isolate the x, divide by negative 2, and you get 15. So we're halfway done. We have x. Now we need to find y. So we're done with equation 2 because it doesn't have a y in it, and that's what we need to find. So either equation 1 or 3 would be chosen to find y. I'm going to choose equation 1 because it looks a little easier. So equation 1 is 2x is equal to 7y plus 16. I already know x now, so I'm going to plug that in. 2 times 15 is equal to 7y plus 16. So 2 and 15, if you multiply, give you 30, and that's equal to 7y plus 16. So now I just need to isolate x. I'm going to subtract 16 from both sides. Always move what's not attached to the variable first. So I get 14 is equal to 7y, and if I divide both sides by 7, I would get y is equal to 2.